India. I don't want to be racist, but about Indians, but
Indians are really beautiful people.
Overpopulation.
they had a beautiful eyes.
They only use hand when they cook. Not my type, but
Sorry.
Marami silang mga relihiyon na paniniwala sa isa. Kaya sila ay bukod-bukod.
Hello everyone!
I'm taking over the channel of Paras Perspective for the purpose of knowing what do Filipinos think of India and Indians. As a Filipino myself, I'm curious to know what my fellow countrymen think of this vibrant nation called India. And today, we'll be asking random people and I will show you the shocking, raw, and unfiltered answers about India and Indians. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
I'm done with the double N.
What do you think about India?
India. Yeah. India is. I want to taste their food.
Oh, what kind?
Like when I ever think of India, I want to taste their kebab.
Kebab.
Yeah.
Yeah, kebab. Oh, okay.
That's always the food that comes first into my mind.
Okay. Oh, what about Indians?
Indians. You know what? I don't want to be racist, but about Indians, but please cut it off.
It's okay.
Yeah, I always think about water.
Weather. Okay.
Water. Like they always change T with D. Water.
Ah, okay, their pronunciation.
Yeah, but I love Indians. They're good. Their foods are exceptional.
Justin, when it comes to mind, Indians are like good traders because most of them you usually find them in like the marketplace here in the Philippines. So I think they're good traders and salesmen. I will always think of India as every time I go to TikTok, I will always see the street foods that they only use hand when they cook. Not my type, but
Would you try it?
no.
Edmond de los Reyes.
What do you think about India?
Honestly, it's mostly negative. I haven't been to India, but the things I hear about it, for example, the people who speak about India who have been there already, they mainly say it's not so nice. Their experience, for example, in the restrooms, they wouldn't want to even go inside the restroom, for example. Mostly those are the things that I...
Would you come to India someday?
Based on what I'm hearing, maybe not. Indians, I think they're really good in terms of technology, mostly IT.
Hi, my name is Sambo. Honestly, as a Filipino, I think India is incredible. I mean, their culture is really diverse, their history, traditions, and even colors is really vibrant. So I think it's a vibrant nation. I want to go in India and try their foods because I'm seeing a lot of videos on TikTok and Instagram, like their food being served on the street. So I love street foods, by the way. So that's what I'm looking forward, actually.
What kind of street foods do you think you want to try? Like a specific one from India?
Yeah, the famous food that is actually widely known here in the Philippines in terms of India food is biryani. As a Filipino and as an IT graduate, Indians are really helpful in terms of technology and innovation. They actually stride on that industry. Actually, they are very helpful. The time that I'm in my college years, I'm watching more likely Indians that are teaching about computer programming. So they're widely known for that. And aside from that, Indians are really beautiful people because as someone who is in the Philippines, our beauty pageants is actually famous. We have seen a lot of diverse beauty of Indians. Someone like Harnaz Sandhu and Rachel from Miss Grand International who just actually won a few days ago.
Hi, I'm Anne. Overall, India is a very diverse country. They have a lot of culture, spices, and they are well known for their Bollywood events. And especially their language. They have numerous dialects all over the country, so they are very different from one place to another. Indians themselves are very traditional people to the point that they tend to make decisions based on their traditions, religions, over practicality. But overall, they're just like Filipinos on some aspects.
My name is AJ. India, the country.
Yes.
I think when I think and heard the word India, the first thing comes in my mind is wealth. I think because they have this culture that wherein if you're going to marry someone, it's the dowry culture. I think the boy will give sort of wealth to the girl, so in order for them to get married. Indians, I think Indians are really good when it comes to cooking. As we all know, they're really good when it comes to spices, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, even in the Philippines, we're eating chicken curry, right? And the curry powder, I think it originally came from them. So I think they're really good in cooking.
I'm Jen. India, I think India as a country is one of the most powerful country in the whole wide world in terms of their war equipment and their soldiers. Indians, I've worked with a lot of Indians before, and I've noticed that they are competitive and they are really smart.
Lado, the champion, hindi ganun kalinis yung pagkain nila. At saka hindi sila ganun kapuputi. Pero magaganda yung mga babae nila.
Hi, my name is Manchu. In Jap, more on religious. Culture nila is different talaga from us and napaka-sacred nila pagdating sa mga beliefs.
What about Indians?
Oh my God, Indians, 5'6"?
What?
And mahilig sila sa mga food na mga exotic and yung mga spices na mga foods.
I'm Ashley. India is a very big country with a lot of population. They are known about their culture, about their spices, foods, and the different traditions. Indians are known to be hospitable. They are known to be resourceful also, family-oriented, and they are known to be spiritual also. And most especially, they are very in tight with their traditions. In terms of their food, sometimes they're not that clean or they're not that tidy about their places, especially when you look in their videos. Like you can see that their preparation area for their food is not that tidy, so maybe they can be more clean next time.
I'm Trisha. India is a hot place and I think there's a lot of people living in India. Yeah.
Would you go to India someday?
I think so, if I have the budget.
Okay.
Indians are, I think, very good in technology and some of them are know-it-all person.
I'm Sunny Gabay, malaking country, mainit. Marami silang mga relihiyon na paniniwala sa isa, kaya sila ay bukod-bukod. Ang masasabi ko lang sa India, sana magkaisa sila sa kanilang paniniwala.
Hi, my name is Edina. India, I think there's a lot more that I want to explore because I've been seeing a lot of travel videos in India. Indians, I've been working a lot with Indians and they're very good with tech. So I'm really impressed with how they handle programming, coding, and all that.
India, like Philippines, friendly people, and hospitable.
My name is Sid. I'm a half Indian, yes.
What's the other half?
I'm an Arab.
My question is, what do you think about India as an Indian yourself?
As an Indian, I love the country. I've grown up in Dubai.
Okay.
Okay. But India is awesome. I don't know if you guys have been there before that, but India is awesome. I don't know, but most of it, I love Philippines more. If you guys compare me to India and Philippines, I love the most. One thing I can say about Indians is just like guys, just try to learn the culture, try to hold your horses, and have fun, guys.
Very, very interesting answers. Tracy, you did a fantastic job. As an Indian, अच्छा लगा सुन के. लोगों ने तारीफ बहुत करी है, plus negative comments भी आए हैं. But of course, कमियां किस में नहीं होती है. दुनिया के हर इंसान में या हर country में कुछ ना कुछ तो कमी मिलेगी.
Mainit. Poor country. Overpopulation.
Matraffic, hindi sumusunod sa batas yung mga tao. Magulo.
Maraming tao. Curry. Spicy food.
Hilig sa pagkain.
Biryani.
The street foods.
Puro spicy.
Curry.
Mahilig sila sa sibuyas.
Masasarap magluto.
street food that they have.
Mahilig sa maanghang.
Parang marumi.
Kakaiba yung mga pagkain doon. Pinakamay.
Madumi.
Street food. Masasarap pero dirty tignan kung gawin.
3 चीजों में हम बहुत popular हैं across the world. First is culture. Second thing is technology. Of course, why not? And the most popular thing is, my God, I can't believe our Indian food, spices, that Indian curry. But we also got few comments about our hygiene.
Bakit maligo?
Naliligo. Yung amoy ni Edna sa trabaho. Yung tututubra. Hindi kaya si Kuya.
Kulang sila sa physical hygiene.
Next feedback I loved is about our looks. They really found us good looking, especially Indian women.
Indians are really beautiful people.
They had a beautiful eyes. Yung iba, pogi.
Guwapo.
Pogi ka maganda. Mapangatilong.
Matatangkad.
So, what do you think? क्या ये feedback सच है? I don't know, but please remember one thing. These feedbacks are all honest and not to offend anyone. But now I want to know from you, क्या ये feedback सच है? If you're an Indian, please comment down below. What do you think about that? And if you're a non-Indian, what do you think about Indians? And I'll make sure Tracy will respond to your comments. Alright guys, see you in the next one.